Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another Pokemon. This time we're going to draw Mew. So let's start at the top of the head by just drawing a curved line, and we'll skip up space here and continue the head down and start curving it in to the center, and then the jaw will be right here with a curved line. And again, we'll do the same thing on this side where we skip a space, continue this line down and back. Alright, so let's draw the bottom of the eyes here. So there'll be this curve that goes across underneath the eyes there, and then we'll continue on over here and just a half circle then to connect the ends of those lines, and here. Let's draw the iris with a curved line so the eyes are towards the middle, and an oval at the upper left for the highlight. So let's just draw a short line here, kind of like the eyebrows. And now let's get to the ears. So these are just triangular shapes. So stepping off the end of that line, we'll go out and back. And we'll do the same here. Step back from the end of that line, go up, curve the end, and back. Okay, so let's go to the neck now, and go down, short line, and a slightly longer line on the other side, just to the right of the chin. And we'll continue this line by curving out for the arm, down, and then 3 fingers, just triangular shapes, and give that arm some thickness. We'll do the same here, where the shoulder comes out, and then in, and again 3 fingers, and again give that arm some thickness. Okay, the body's gonna curve out to the left, so let's draw a line that goes out this way up to about where my finger is, and it's gonna curve back up for the leg, upper part of the leg. So go down, curve it, and then back up. This will be the upper leg, and right here will be the belly. So just right off this line, perpendicular to it, we'll go out, curve up. Alright, let's draw the other side of the chest and belly. So this line is going to be somewhat continuous with this line that goes up there. So now we can draw the other leg. It's going to come out off this line, this way, right about here, just a little bit lower than that right leg. So curve down, and then start curving it in. Alright, let's give this leg lower. Let's go ahead and draw the lower leg by drawing a line that's almost straight down, and then it's going to curve back up with 3 toes at the end. So first let's draw 1 toe, kind of long toes, go a little bit lower with the middle toe, and then finally the 3rd toe, which goes directly into the lower leg. Alright, let's draw the right leg, bottom leg then, or foot. So we'll just continue this line here, down, trying to see where my other leg is, and we'll do the same thing with the 3 toes. 1, 2, and 3, and we'll continue this foot then to the upper leg. So finally we've got this tail that's gonna go out this way and over. So let's do that, starting right here by the upper leg, and you can just go wherever you want with this tail. and it's going to kind of thicken at the end, and then the rest of the tail will be more or less the same thickness. So we'll just draw a line that's parallel. And it gets a little bit thicker here. I kind of messed up here because it's a little bit thicker, but I'll fix that when I go ahead and make some of these lines thicker, just to vary it. Just going to use my thinner marker here to finish off some of these other lines, just so I can get a nice taper from my thicker marker, like right here. Okay, I'm just going to draw in some shadow lines then with my really thin micron pen. So there'll be a cast shadow underneath here. I'm just going to draw a cast shadow here for underneath the belly and this leg, and cast shadow underneath this leg here, and right here. So those will all be a little bit darker, and I'll just do a little bit of cross hatching or hatching. And I'm doing this because although I'm going to color this and shade it that way, by putting in some of these shadows, this line drawing can then stand on its own. But with the shading, it gives it more of a three-dimensional quality to it, and it just looks more interesting. And cast shadow here for the tail because it's underneath the body. And I'll go ahead and shade the iris as well, although eventually that'll be blue once I color it. And this just makes it a little bit more interesting. And I'll go ahead and darken this part of the tail as well. And that's it. This was MEW, Pokemon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.